Meaning of excitable.
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 Excitable. The word excitable refers to a person or thing that is easily stimulated or highly reactive to external factors. An excitable person may become overly emotional or agitated at small provocations, while an excitable material may react strongly to changes in temperature or pressure. The result of being excitable can vary depending on the context. It may lead to increased creativity and enthusiasm in certain situations, but also make one prone to impulsiveness and irrational behavior. Overall, being excitable can be both a strength and a weakness depending on how it is managed.